Hello everyone, my name is Eve and today I will tell you how to use our website move2usajob.com. So this is the page you come from our landing page, or maybe you browsed us on Google or somewhere on internet. So here is the page you come to. So basically we have several headings that you can use to browse our website. Here we have jobs, which is the job portal. Here is our About Us section, the section to refer and earn, our legal advisor, visa getter, visa assistants, our friends, and post a job. So now I will tell you a little bit more about every part of our job portal. So when you click jobs, you are prompted to create an account. So if you have an account with our system, you tap already have an account login. If you don't have an account with our system, you tap create an account. So you can tap here your first name, your last name, your email, confirm your email, your password. Where have you found us? So here you have a list of services where you could hear about us. So we have most people coming from Google Jobs. Here you should tap I've read the documentation on how to use the job portal. It's highly recommended because we have a documentation that covers everything. Let me show it to you. So here I suggest you take a look at our FAQ section. So here you have a lot of questions you can look through. So after you read everything, you will know everything about it. So it's highly recommended, but you are not obliged. You don't have a star here, so you can leave it blank. You should accept our terms and conditions. You can find terms and conditions here. You can read it, it's not long. Everything is indicated here there on how to use our job portal. So you tap accept terms and conditions. So here, after that, you tap continue and you are registered. After you have been registered, you will receive an email from us with a gift. So this is an offer we found in the internet, and it quite a good offer, so I really liked it. That's why I shared it with you. It will save you some money on PayPal while you are doing your shopping online. And also in that email after registration, you will receive a link where you can submit your details if you need to get sponsored to use our portal, because our job portal, it has price to use. So in case you can't afford it, you can always submit your details, and when any person purchases yearly full access plan, you have a chance to be selected for a free year usage. We do a lottery so that one person of everybody submitted their information is chosen, is selected, and you can have a free access of our job portal for a year. You just need to submit your details after you receive an email from us. Our plans are yearly plan, early full access, it's 49 euros. Also, you can have a 5 years discount if you insert the code 5 off, so you can have a 5 euros discount. Also, there are weekly plans, $5.99 and $3.99 for professional and unskilled jobs, and monthly professional $19.99 and monthly unskilled $9.99. All weekly and monthly plans have 7-day free trial, so you will have to submit your bank card details or PayPal or Google Pay, but you will have a 7-day free trial so you can check how portal works. Also, we have a special offer for students, which is access for life for $19.99. So if you are a student and you have a student email, you can use this offer. So that is basically about our plans to use the job portal. Let me share with you the payment methods. You can pay with PayPal. Please check your inbox after the payment for the email with order subject. It's important because we have a lot of people who pay with PayPal. They don't check their emails and they don't get like any update. They don't check inbox, so they don't know they have this email there with order number and with access details. So please check your PayPal if you are paying with PayPal. You can also pay with Google Play or Apple Play, but there are some issues as it's not like integrated into the system. So in case you would need to cancel your subscription, you can do it only via email or via WhatsApp. You will receive the WhatsApp details upon registration. So the most good choice is to use your card number. So here you can see we accept Visa, American, Discovery, American, I'm not sure about it, Visa and MasterCard, so we accept most cards. And this means of purchase is preferred because you can always like cancel the subscription. You can always like check everything what is happening in your account, so it works much better if you purchase it via bank card details. So basically that's it about the job portal. Let me show you how job portal works. So when you purchase the plan, you are redirected to this page. These are jobs. So for example, I want to work as a driver. I tap driver, so you can see driver jobs are listed here, and here you can see the description. Please be aware that if you see email at the end of the job, if you see here an email, so for example, let me show you here. If you see an email and the phone number here at the end of the job description, please don't hit apply. Please apply with these details, because if you are applying with the apply button, the emails are coming to me and I'm not the employer, so kindly check this. This is only for unskilled jobs. So let me try something else, for example, web developer. So here we have skilled jobs, so you can see web developers, a lot of web developers. So you can find quite any kind of job here. We have more than 7,000 jobs available. So to register, you need to use this button, join free. If you need to see documentation, here you can find it. Here is the FAQ, so you can check it. That's basically it about the job portal. Please try different combinations of keywords so that you can find what you need. You also can set up a location, for example, Florida, United States, find jobs. You can find jobs in some specific place. You can also insert here city. So basically it works like a regular job portal. Also, you can see the forum button, so you can use our forum to ask questions, to read about our new jobs, to read about our news. We have news section here. We have job sponsorship section. We update it daily. So that is also what you can see here. So let's talk about our next section of our website, which is visa assistance. So in case you know which visa you would like to, for example, H-1B or O-1, or you need CPT or OPT for your student visa, or EB-3 or EB-2 or G1 or B1. So if you know which visa is good for you, you just click that offer. So for example, we have nanny assistance. You can click here and get to the website that provides it. So for example, we need H-1B. So here we can read the information about the visa. Here we can find fees, our money back guarantee, instant help, also WhatsApp, Telegram, admin, our working hours, our reviews. So here you can find it. And if you don't know which visa works well for you, you can check it via eligibility work visa checker. So we come here at this site, and here is the bot that will help you to determine which visa is good for you. So you can like start this bot. No. What is your country of citizenship? For example, Israel. And so on. So you can check your visa eligibility with this bot. So that's basically it about visa assistance. I would just like to say that it's our new offer, Au Pair, which is nanny. So you can get redirected to our partner site. Here you can see Au Pair in the United States. Here you can read reviews, check everything. So this is a very new offer, so be welcome to check it. The price is pretty much affordable. So here is what we have. Also, we have Hawaii tour from the same company, Hawaiian Adventure, Beaching and Boarding, Consular. So this is also an offer from our partner company. So you can work as a summer camp consular in the USA, and the price is very affordable. So we are hoping that you will like this offer. So that's it about visa assistance. Let me tell you a little bit about VisaGetter. So with VisaGetter, you can have your percentage of getting a visa increased up to 50%. So here we also have free visa work visa eligibility checker, so you can check which visa works for you. We have a H-1B VisaGetter, which is a link to the database where you can find the H-1B sponsors and determine who to contact in order to get a visa. Here we have a database of G1 visa sponsors. Here we have a teacher's VisaGetter, nurses VisaGetter, religious VisaGetter, H2B visa sponsors database, H2A visa sponsor database, green card sponsors database, international caregiver opportunity, and international truck driver in Canada. So we tried our best to find something in the US, but we couldn't do so. So we found you a Canada opportunity. So that's it about the VisaGetter. It's very affordable. So for example, teacher's VisaGetter is 9.99 euros, and for example, H2A visa sponsors database is only 5.99. So it's a very affordable solution. So let's talk now about Refer and Earn. It's another option. We have an affiliate program you can register with. You can register here, subscribe here. So here you can read about our conditions. So basically you receive $1 weekly or monthly for every payment your audience make. So for example, you share your affiliate link, you subscribe here, you get your affiliate link, and you share it with your audience. So the more people you bring to us, the more money you earn with this affiliate program. Okay, so our legal advisor, here you can find the information about Mohammed, our partner legal advisor. Here you can find his recommendation letters. With this button you can book a consultation with him. So here it's from $14.99, so you can ask 3 questions for $14.99. 10 minutes consultation is included. Also, you can order legal services. It's just processing documents. So if you need help with your documents, here you can find the pricing, and the payment can be done via PayPal. Our friends section. So here we found for you the best offers on the market so that you can take a look at it and find something you need. For example, if you need a Visa MasterCard, you can buy it with crypto by this link. Here you can learn to code for free. You can create and sell courses for free. You can learn English for free. You can install Grammarly, so you don't have errors in your written English. ChatGPT is free, resume enhancer and cover letter creation. So we have a lot of offers we consider being good offers, so we share them with you. And about us section, so here we have our blog. We have now more than 60 articles published. Here you can read any article, you can like or dislike it, and you can comment to this article. We're working on the subscription model so that you can subscribe with us. Here you can find contacts. So we have a voice message here, so you can leave your phone message. And our support email is here, so you can write to support. Also, you can always contact us via WhatsApp. So here you can contact us, and I usually answer as soon as I can. I'm trying my best to answer very fast. Here is the section about us, so you can read about our team. We are now 3 people working on the team: Eve, who is me, Volodymyr, and Zainab. So we're providing you with the best experience we can. I think that I've covered everything in this video. If you have any questions, feel welcome to reach out via WhatsApp. I'm always more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching and for listening. Bye, take care.